Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, guys. And if you need to find the fuse for the engine starter, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. If you still have problems with the engine starter not working, we'll explain what else it could be, and we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, relays, and how you can actually do that. We'll teach you, so make sure to stay until then. We'll cover that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a Dodge Charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So we have that Dodge Charger that we'll be demonstrating on. Let's explain now what we have here specifically, guys. You can see this is the fuse box that we have right here. How do you open it? It's pretty simple. You have one tab here, one there. You squish those, you can pull it up, flip it on the side. On the back side now you have the fuse numbers and relays printed there, the numbers. And the one, guys, that we need to check actually for the engine starter is known as fuse number F4, but that's the tricky part. It's actually the third fuse, guys, from left to right on the very top row right here. That 30 fuse is the one for the engine starter. Now, it's very important to test the fuse because sometimes it's really hard to tell, especially these fuses, if they're burnt or not. We will put a link to a video that will teach you how to test the fuse and relay, car relays, in the description of the video below, and practically in a few seconds you will be able to test yours and find out if it's good or bad, and that way you can replace it, which is not very complicated, guys. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, especially these are super expensive, at the parts store we'll put a link where you can get them from for a really good price and quick shipping. If your engine starter still does not work, okay, we will have the video about a relay, which relay it is, and we'll have a video why Dodge Charger does not crank, and how to test engine starter. All that is coming on our channel. If you have any other questions, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.